Hey guys, in this video I will show my cycle headlight. So let's get started. First, I mounted my dynamo in my cycle frame and made some fine adjustments so that the wheel connected to the shaft will be in contact with the rear tire of my cycle. Then I connected wires to the dynamo. If you don't know what is dynamo, then check out my other video. In that video, I explained about dynamo. I routed wire inside the frame so that I can connect the cycle headlight. Then I again connected a cable which is connected to the light. This is how my cycle light looks. It has 6 LEDs, 1 watt resistor and 220 ohms resistor. I connected the resistor together so that the LEDs won't blow up. I completed everything in the cycle headlamp, guys. So today night we are going to test this out.
12 o'clock midnight.
When I started spinning the pedals, the light glows. It glows constantly even though the speed varies. I am happy with the results because it costed me zero. It's brighter than I expected, as you can see in this video. Keep riding, and I will see you next time.